6 spoon and the other one 4 spoon on that do not make yours exactly the same. At times your measurement and mine will be different measurements, so just try to know your gauge and always check it for time to time as this is boiling, so you know if you still need more curry to make the yellow ones, or if you still need the spicy one. So that's taste is good like this. Remember, we use salt and some Maggi, curry and every other thing to boil it, and I taste the water now, it's still good like that, so there is no need for me to add more to it. So yeah, I will just put it in the fire like that and cook. This is how it look like now, so I'm just waiting for it to be a little bit done. You can see the rice. That's one thing I like about this rice, they don't join together, they always stay by themselves. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for this water to be dry, then I can start frying it. Just add a little bit of water, not the under how they look like, but you won't show when you don't mix it in. So I allow this thing to dry, the rice to dry. See how inside looks like. Let's hold that part. Just keep stirring like that till it's dry. How do you know the rice is dry? Look at the one I've already made. It will look like that. You don't want too much of oil, so the oil will not be all over. Yeah. So just that little oil and you fry. You keep stirring, and when you don't turn it all of them down, just wait for at least 2 minutes. Keep be turning them. If not, the downside, the part you are not turning will just join together. It depends on the kind of rice you use. I'll just give this one 1 more minute, and then the turkey is already ready for Friday. Yeah, so that's how I do my emergency fried rice. You don't have to have everything in this whole world you need before cooking. At times you don't even get ready to cook them or prepare to cook them. You just do them anyway. You know, that because maybe that's what you want to eat that time, or that's what your family member. See, this is what we get for the fried rice. The stream is not a lot, but it's just okay. I will just stir all of them together. You don't really have to have everything in the whole world before you. A lot of meat, a lot of this, a lot of that, or get prepared. Today is the right day for the fried rice, or right day for jollof rice. No, so just any kind of food, whatever you have at home, just use it to make them. You will enjoy your meal. The kid was going to school this morning. I heard one of them say, I wish I would take fried rice to school this morning. And I didn't have fried rice this morning, and I didn't plan for fried rice. They were having rice to go to school, but I think she didn't like the rice that she was taking to school. So I just do my little job I have today. After the job, I decided, okay, I didn't even bring anything out from freezer. I didn't bring the meat out yet. I had to dissolve the meat and just fast dissolve this one, the green peas and all that. You can see they are not fresh now. Just it's for the fridge. I just get them from freezer. So let them come.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.